What up, guys? As I mentioned, let's have a little backtesting session. I think I never mentioned this, but at the time being, I'm only trading the GBPUSD, so I'm gonna backtest the motherfucking GBPUSD, right? Hey, no. I won't fucking use. Wait a minute, what the fuck is this shit? Division. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah, I have no fucking clue. Yeah, perfect start. What the hell am I even doing right here? So, back topic. So, here we are. So, I will only trade GBPUSD, or also known as the cable. Why? To be honest, there is no real particular reason. I just like the pair. And I think it's bad practice to trade a lot of pairs, so I think the range should be between 1 and 3, maximum 3, I think. Of course, it's a personal thing. If you're a swing trader, you will probably trade a little more pairs. If you're an intraday trader, you're fine with 1 to 2 pairs. Yeah, never mind. So let's get into backtesting. I'm doing it something like this. I'll just go a little back in time and play retest and go to us Monday 0 p.m. So we have the 8th of May. I'll stick right now to the 50-minute chart, since if you go in the higher time frame, it spoilers you a little bit, since it loads the whole bar, which is kind of garbage, but I guess it is what it is. So let's just stick to 15-minute and 5 minutes. Let's make our analysis in the 15-minute and trade until 5-minute. So we see, so we have an uptrend, right? So here higher, high. Okay, here it was broken. I guess liquidity was grabbed, but as you can see, it slowly moves up. Really beautiful. Here liquidity was grabbed again. Really nice. So let's check out what we have right here. So what I like to do is make like this lines here, so I know where I am at the moment. So we have Monday right here. I think I will backtest 1 week. Wednesday, Thursday. And don't ask me why this motherfucker is on German. I think I already set the settings 2 times to English. I hope it doesn't bother you too much. If it does, then I will see to change it always before I start recording. So let me take a sip of my coffee to be a little bit more concentrato. Fuck, it's hot. So we are bullish for this week. We will look at the opening of the week. So Sunday right here. Let's note it. Weekly open. We have our Asian range from like 7 to midnight. Yeah. So this is our Asian range. What else interesting stuff we got? We have this double top. So I don't know if you watch ICT or if you follow what he's saying. Can I say? Yeah. So we have what it's called, buy stops above this. So buy side liquidity, or whatever it's called, buy side liq. So what would be a real nice trade right here? I mean, it's Monday. In the last video I mentioned to not trade on Monday, but we are at backtesting and we are gathering experience if we should trade on a Monday or not. That's the whole purpose of backtesting, I guess. And what I really would love to see here is something like this. Grab of liquidity, Judah swing, another grab of liquidity and a continuation of this uptrend. Would be really, really nice. Let's see if it will happen. We got like a 30 pips here. So liquidity will be always grabbed around 20 to 30 pips from above this, above double tops and double bottoms. So let's just see how this one will play out. Maybe I'm totally wrong. Maybe it will break down like a motherfucker. So we have a break above. Nice. Nice. So it's going down. It's already 4 AM. Let's see if we'll get this breakdown. So London Open is already over. We will wait for the New York Open. Sadly, it wasn't broken down below here. You could argue this is a double bottom and it picked liquidity down here. But yeah, I don't really like that one. Maybe it's just getting some liquidity and whatever. So it's, voila. That wasn't my intention. I misclicked. So what's interesting is this double bottom right here on the weekly open. It's grabbing down here. We have like it's noon, maybe the afternoon hours of New York. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if we get some bullish behavior on the 5-minute chart, right? So we have a kind of high here, so let's see if it will be broken. Nope. Nope, nada, niente. Never mind. Fuck this. You could argue to trade here. So it would have been a potential trade. You have a fair value gap here. This one was broken. You have the liquidity grab above this double top. It retraced down. I'm pretty sure you have also a Fibonacci. And it would have been a okayish trade. I wouldn't have taken it. Let's just say somewhere around here, and it's something like that, and you're not too greedy. It would have been around a 1 to 3. Would be fine, but not really something I'm looking for, so doesn't really matter. Let's fuck away from this day and let's go to the Wednesday. No, wait a second. Tuesday. So we broken below. We tested this fair value gap or this bearish order block, which is quite interesting. I really would love to see the 4-hour. You know what? Fuck this. I will go to the 4-hour chart. I need some more information. Let me just, because I'm seeing this one right here. Now, as we can see here, it's kind of a double top, so really interesting. So I'm interested if liquidity above this. Yeah. You see this little spike right here? The liquidity was taken from above that, so the possibility of it to retrace is kind of high. But also in the 4-hour chart we are fucking bullish, so we will probably retrace to this. So that's one of this. I'm not sure if this is a bullish order block. This of course is not one, since this candle isn't devouring this one. But this one could really be a one. So this, something like that. And we are going back down, and I'm kind of sure it's, yeah, something like that. So we can expect it to retrace somewhere around this area. So let's just check out how the Asian range behaves. So 7 till midnight, pop up, going the candles. So let's just see how this one behaves. So there we have our spike above the Asian range. I would again love something like I expected it above here to retrace maybe somewhere below here. And yeah, that's what I wanted to see. How late is it? 3:30. So we're still in the London kill zone. If I'm wait, I have my notes right here on my iPad, so I can look it up. Just give me a second. Down here, London kill zone right here. Yeah, 2 to 5 a.m. and I have in my notes can offer 25 to 50 pips scalp, which would be really nice. So let's go to the 5-minute chart because I'm looking for a trade right here. Let's just see how it behaves. So we have kind of, yeah, the break, the fair value gap, and just give me a retest. Perfect. So I'm taking this trade right here. We have kind of fair value gap. Maybe it's a little rushed, but I think there is enough evidence for it to be taken. So let's just see how this one plays out. I'll just buy right here. Stop loss would be somewhere below down here, and take profit would be this high, maybe a little break. Let's just see how it plays out. So yeah, going up, nice, nice, nice. Retracing, which is not kind of nice. How late is it? It's 4:35, so still fine. Oh, I don't like that one. I really don't like that one. I don't know if you could argue it's already in the stop loss. I would have put it a little below, more below. Holy fuck. I would have put the stop loss a little more, you know, like a little range. You don't put it right at the low. Yeah, it's going up. How late is it? 5 a.m. So I guess the volume will be a little bit back. We are making kind of bullish behavior, which I kind of like. So for one, the liquidity down here was taken. So stops would have been taken. We broke this high. So I guess it should go up. Of course, there is no certainty. So what I'm thinking right now. So we are not bad in profit. Again, guys, this is backtesting, so this is nothing real. This is 100% theoretical. So this is not money I'm making right now. Please note that. Just to be sure, I'm not sure how many of you guys know how TradingView works and so on. So note that this is 100% theoretical. So what I'm seeing right now, this could again be argued to be a bullish bearish order block. We have kind of a double top right here. So liquidity was taken. Let's just see how far it. I would still stay in the trade, maybe close a portion. What? Let's do that. I'm not sure if I can just. I think this works like this. Let's just close half of the position, so we're on the safe side, because we have a pretty nice profit for it being taken here. So it's already 13 pips in the profit, so why risk that? Why risk it? So it's going down, down, down. I'm not so bothered because we have again a bullish order block here. So, and as you can see, it respects half of it, so it's not breaking down below. So I'm totally fine. Still rejecting it. Still rejecting it. How late is it? 6:50. So right around the clock where New York Open is. The interesting part about New York Open is it either reverses the move or it pushes up. So those two scenarios are there. So either it pushes right or it breaks down. So let's just see how it plays out. How late? 7:30. So London, New York, yeah, it reverses. I'm not kind of sure if I want to stay in this trade or if I just cut losses and say fuck it. Not gonna lie to you guys. I don't like how it's built. Just see. Yeah, kind of fishy. Kind of fishy. You know what? I will stay in the trade. I'll just say my stop loss will be here. A little bit like somewhere here. I'll just stay in the trade and see if it hits this. I'm gonna close the trade. Yeah, fuck it. Let's close it. What could have been better? Well, maybe I should have taken the trade completely up here after the first rejection. Yeah, definitely could have traded that one better. As I said, we have one rejection, a second rejection, a third rejection, and I think the latest point would have been this third rejection right around the New York Open. Yeah, could have been traded better, I guess. Also, maybe I shouldn't. I think the entry could have been better. I took this like here at the fair value gap and on this candle. Maybe on this order block would have been better. You could argue here I could have watched this. Would have been, I think, also safer, so the probability would have been more on my side. You can see it broke down, and at the 50% mark I could have taken the trade. So yeah, I would say a pretty average trade is fine. It's fine in a real environment. I mean, I wouldn't say it's like a loss. It would have been more like a small win. If you say, okay, it went up, came down, and you could have had a trailing stop, or you would have taken half of the position up here and set the stop loss to break even. So, you know, it's fine. It's fine. It's just backtesting for information purpose, so it doesn't really bother me. So let's continue. I don't know if I would have traded this day. We have Tuesday. It's the 5-minute chart. I think what I failed to do was I sticked to the 5-minute chart, but the 5-minute chart is just for the entry. So I should have gone up to the 15-minute chart to see how it behaves here. So we can see there is no, yeah. Whatever. I'm fine with this trade. It's really a textbook. So, you know, grabbing liquidity, going down here, having the perfect Judas kind of swing. Yeah, okay, if you ignore that one. Going up. It had potential. It had potential to go up. So, but never mind. So I don't know if it would have been an actual day. I think I would stop right here. So there is nothing for me to trade anymore. Yeah. I think now it's, will it go up now? Yeah, there we have it. Just took the little kind of liquidity down here. Yeah, so should have been a little bit more patient, waited for it to maybe retrace a little deeper, taking more liquidity, but it is what it is. So let's move on to the next day, since we are done. But in my last video I said, you know, from Tuesday to Wednesday is the low of the week or the high of the week. So what we can expect, so it's only theoretical, you know, so it's not what's called it chiseled in stone, I think it's the right expression. So it also is a possibility from Monday to Tuesday. So this could be the low of the week. So let's say how it plays out. So we have Wednesday rolling up. 7 till midnight. Boom, 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 boom. So it goes down. Okay. So let's just see. I'm gonna remove this because it's really bothering me. And there is no need for it to stick down here. So what do we have? And I see you had a trade right here for the New York afternoon session, but whatever. I skipped this one. But you know what? Fuck it. you can't take every trade, guys. So you gotta cherry pick the ones you really like and trade those. Or you think, yo, this one is the shit. So what I'm seeing, So officially I see this one, which was already tested. Breaking down the Asian range. So if we think there will be a Judas swing on the upside, you take kind of this liquidity right here and maybe breaking down. Somehow it rejects this weekly open from below. It doesn't want to go above. And I need to take a fast look at my notes since I'm not sure about the weekly open. I think it shouldn't touch it if it's the Wednesday or if it's the Thursday. Just give me I will cut this one out. So while going through my notes, I just read because we had this about the low and the high of the week. In my notes, I have written weekly lows formed between Sunday and Wednesday, so it would be fine. High odds before Wednesday New York Open, so this officially could be the weekly low. Increase between Tuesday and Wednesday. And I have another one. If we go lower than the low formed on Wednesday New York Open, we go to the sideline and don't trade. Also another one. So we want to do something like this. And yeah, it would be perfectly fine. I just read it in my notes, so... But it's not what I was looking for. Which kind of... Just about the lows and the highs of the week, so no real... Yeah, I went too far. I haven't found something about weekly opens. Yeah, I haven't found anything right now about on the short time. I haven't found anything about the weekly, but fuck it, guys. Let's just backtest. So I'm not focused. I was way too in my notes, so I missed kind of an opportunity. Yeah, kind of sucks right now. But let's not bother with us. Let's shake the feeling off, you know. Just continue. So there is no need to feel bad. If you ever have this feeling like down, you know, just you know, close your eyes, take a deep breath, breathe out, and everything is fine, you know. So chill. You're gonna make it. So let's see. As I thought, it's gonna take the liquidity above this one. We have kind of a Judas swing, so I'm contemplating taking a short right here. Also, it broke above the weekly open and right below it, so I think it could trade way more down. Yeah. What I'm looking for right now is entry eventually right here. But it will be a short one, so it rejected quite nice. Let's take this. I don't know how big this should be. I'm just gonna make a 100k. My stop loss would be right above this weekly open and this bearish order block. I think I will just stick my take profits somewhere around here. So let's just see how it behaves. I don't like that. I really don't like that. I really don't like that. Yeah, that's more like it. So let's just fast forward. I think I'm still fine with this trade, but I know since we are bullish, I shouldn't expect it to go way below. Yeah, I should have probably closed it down here. Yeah, it was a mistake on my side. So let's see how it still plays out. Yeah. I was just thinking on this candle to close the trade and just take it. This little profit we had. You know what? I'm not gonna. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm gonna close the trade right here. Not gonna play it since we are bullish. Also on the 5-minute chart we made kind of bullish behavior. I really hoped it to push down below here. Not above, below. Like you have a double bottom here. Right below this. So that's what I hoped. I fucked up, guys. I think we were here. Carry? For sure. I know we were here. So this one is gonna be a little longer, since I have to. That's how I'm imagining a backtesting session. Taking your time, really thinking it through. You have no pressure to take the trade. You can look at it as long as you want. Look at all charts, so there is no kind of fear of the chart going away. And you can look at your notes, see if you have it right in your brain, and so on. So I think these backtesting sessions, I will make them a little longer just to take my time. As I said in the introduction video, I want to really put in the work, so I'm not afraid if the fucking video goes 1 hour or whatever. So let's just so if you're bored, just go away. I could understand. God fucking damn it. So we are back. Hopefully I'm not misclicking any bullshit again. I think there's something, we had a trade, yeah, so yeah. I kinda regret it closing it down. Looking at it now, what could have I done better? So officially, I think the trade was fine. Maybe the stop was a little bit more above about this Asian range. If you really want to play it safe, maybe above this low. But I think the ratio would be really bad. Yeah, it would have been a 1-to-1, so not worth the risk. Yeah, it went pretty down nicely, and I think the better trade would have been this fair value gap. We have kinda a low here. It was broken. It was tested a couple of times, rejected a couple of times. You could take an entry at any point of this, and I think the trade would have been, just say something like this. Just go down. This would have been a really nice trade, but fuck it. While playing it back, I was a little spoiled, so bullish was yeah, we will see it. You will see it. So let's move on. So I could imagine here taking a long position. Also, if I do again, would have been this 0.618 Fibonacci, which is actually nice. Why wouldn't I take this long? Let's look at the 5-minute. Let's see if structure is built. No. Perfect. Gotta be honest with you guys, I don't like this. So, oh shit. Well, fuck me. I should have liked it. Man. It's like I had a fucking big booty Latina goth bitch in front of me and I said, yeah, I don't know, goth and Latina doesn't mix up. Yeah, I fucked up, guys. Why I didn't take, well, it was fine here, so it was a higher time frame analysis, so it would have been fine, I guess, since you know, at a order block it should stay above this 50% mark, but it's also fine if it breaks below this 50% mark and right on the next candle it closes above it again. So it did right here, rejected it a couple of times, like 3 times. So bad play from me. Gotta be honest with you guys, it was really bad play for me. So there were a lot of opportunities to take this trade. Yeah, it would have been a gorgeous trade. That was my stupidity. So something like this. And going up here, it would have been a really, really, really beautiful trade for the week. So really my stupidity. But hey guys, that's why we are backtesting, right? So I can see this error, I can see this mistake. It will be saved in my head. And then on the real charts, in the real time, I'm not making this mistake. Or hopefully I'm not making this mistake. It would be pretty stupid if I would have done it, would do a mistake twice, right? So again, some snooze. Give me a second. So let's get going again. Enough breaks. Yeah, yes, you can see it would have been a really, really nice trade, right? So first target was hit. It's above the weekly open. Yeah, yeah, this one was taken too. So it would have been, let's just say, a really generous trade if you go like this. Yeah, I want to kind of sad that I didn't took the trade. So fuck it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna skip this day since it, I don't know, it's somewhat fishy when moves like this happen. I still haven't quite figured out how to not trade these big moves, but how to behave on these big moves. You know, so you can see clearly there's a lot of volatility. So to be honest, in my opinion, you should just skip those days out. You can see there is a lot pew pew pew, and then start kind of ranging. I guess also because, yeah, noon, is it noon? Is it lunch break? Lunch break. That's the sentence I was looking for. And yeah, and then it went into range in the afternoon session. Nothing quite. What I really don't like, it's playing around this weekly open. So I really don't like this week, to be honest with you guys. It's a pretty tough week to trade. First of all, we have kind of this high, this old high, which was taken here, and it went nicely down. So yeah, you could argue to trade short this and look at, but it went then back up, but you're bullish. So I don't know, it's kind of fishy. To be honest with you guys, it's pretty tough. And on Fridays, I don't like to trade in general, since it's the end of the weekend. Yeah, it can, I guess it's maybe the, yeah, it's pretty surely the non-farmer payroll should be here. So this is the move of the non-farmer payrolls. No non-farmer payrolls on the first Friday of a month. You really don't want to trade those. It's on those days you don't want to trade US dollar pairs. It's really volatile. So just stick it out. And in particular, I don't like this week. I'm gonna be honest, if you look at this, it's just ranging. So it's not that nice. So you could take short-term trades like I did here. Yeah, it should be fine, but there is no real moves and whatever. So as you can see, what the fuck is this shit? So it broke below here. You could take a long, you would look for a long, but also there you have the fair value gap here, which is rejecting. So you could take a short, but you're bullish in the overall. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Well, I'm not taking the trade, as I said. While going back at it again, I know it's going down. I'm not sure if it will go down here. Yeah, it would go. So I was spoiled, so it would be a fake trade. I'm not trying to impress you guys. I'm trying to become a trader. So there is no point in lying to myself. So I'm not taking this, because deep down I know it would have been a fake trade, and I really don't want fake dopamine. So yeah, look what a nice trade. So fuck this. And I think I'm gonna, yeah, and end of the week, Friday, fuck it. Wait. This is a Thursday. Holy shit. I'm mentally disabled. That's, oh my god, my concentration is all over the place. Holy shit. Okay. You know, you have some days like this. I haven't slept quite well. So it's fine, I guess. It's fine. It's fine. I sat down. I think it's enough. Yeah. To sum it up, well, fuck Friday, right? Yeah, forgot the line. That's why I was confused. Yeah, I thought this is Friday because it's the last day here. So it was a mistake on my side. To be honest with you guys, I'm not quite satisfied with how this one went. I will try to improve it. What could have been done better? I think from the yeah. I don't know if this was just today thing, you know. So as I said, I haven't slept quite well the few days because in my private life there is a lot of stuff going on, and yeah. But it's fine. It's fine. We'll backtest again and just leave it as it is. I will take my... I should also take notes eventually on backtesting. Yeah, I really should take notes. So how can we improve? Take notes. So I know what mistakes I made. And... what's the second? Maybe you can point out what the second thing is. So what would have you taken with this backtesting session? What would you improve? Let's just leave it like this. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's, as I said, quite a long one, and we will see each other on... I'm not sure if I will make a second backtesting session or if I will make just a summary of the week. So either one of those two will be. So guys, see you. Have a nice one.